In perhaps the most vivid suggestion that the Blessed Geza movement has been whitewashed by Emmerson Mnangagwa, his man of support, Vice President Chiwenga, is next week traveling to share the stage with the men mocking him, the VP, speeches labeled Svikananda. Sanamina mashukano muda pangwa ine kuchonko kunzi aiwa VP Chiwenga might have been captured pangwa ine after pabuda maflyers mabanners amuri kuona arikuratidza kuti VP Chiwenga will share stage with the Tagore in a latest visual suggesting he has betrayed Geza. And don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The function is slated for Bulawayo, and the VP has not responded for comments at the time of writing. Details are as follows. We are honored to announce that the acting president, Honorable Dr. CGDN Chiwenga, will be the guest of honor at the upcoming Madeleine Business Dinner. Theme: Building Bridges to Vision 2030, Empowering Zimbabwe's Future. This prestigious event is dedicated to empowering young people and fostering their active involvement in the business world as we journey toward a prosperous and inclusive Zimbabwe. Domashko arikubuda panguva ine arikunkonzi according to Zim aise zvari kutaura panapa ari kuti aiwa panoonekwa the Blessed Geza revolution kana movement panguva ine pari kususpectwa nevanhu vachiti aiwa it has been whitewashed. Panguva ino, yes, they are just criticizing, but power rekunyatsokuwithstanda aiwa the regime panguva ino vanenge vailuza hapasisina. Yes, they are advocating vachiexposa chokwadi chiri kuitika, but kuti vachikwanisa kuva capable aiwa kuremova the regime kuri kuona kwanzi hapana. The same thing chiri kuonekwa kuna VP Chiwenga panguva ino after this secular ratenderera according kune mamwe masources anozikamwa anopubliciza aiwa nawo the regime iri aligned in 2030 vakaita sana mukungunungwa panguva ino they are supporting our this bana vachiti ichokwadi. So we are not so sure kuti VP Chiwenga according to the theme panguva ino iri kunkonzi iri kusupporta the vision 2030, is he going to go against it sezvaanosimboita mapublic displays? In comment section medu zamafungiro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.